Action.
Oh, space is awesome. Oh, the right voice. Sorry, DJ. Oh, Jellyfin. He's your voice too. Yeah.
Sprinkling! Princess around your airplane! Sprinkling airplanes!
Who are you?
My name is Glop Plog. I'll go get my brother Glop.
Your names are Glop Plog and Cork Plog. No, silly. It's the food corn.
It's Glop Plog and Plog, you fool. Keep this planet Plog. But you Earthens go at the moon. You have landed on our planet. Let's be friends.
By the way,
Let's be friends. Friends. Let's be friends. We have good opera voices. Want to hear?
Shut up, get out of it.
I'm sorry.
Plop, plop.
Hello, you look like show people. You have show?
Yeah,
We be in show.
sure.
We want to be in show. We want to be movie stars.
Well, only if you help us
Movie
find
stars.
us. Only if you help us find us.
Spaceship, got it. Let's go, Glop Plog. Glop.
Well, those people are really cool. Yeah, especially the thing, popcorn and corn pop. It was pop, pop, and pop, pop. Oh yeah, you're good at
We
it.
found rocket ship.
Rocket ship means famous movie stars.
We're gonna be movie stars.
So everybody get in the spaceship.
Let's go.
10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. We like movie stars.
And she got angry at us for saying her name wrong. She got all the names wrong of the aliens.
Oh, really? That was Chelsea.
Yeah, you call them Glop Plog, corn and black flowers and chicken.
That was Chelsea. I said Glop Plog and Black Plog.
Nah, you said black cloud. It's other names. Get on in your stomach.
Columbus.
You think William's gonna let them be in the show?
Columbus. Kiki. Actually, her stinky for
I'm a macho man. Macho man.
You
You only go on a coffee break again if Columbus hurts me.
I'm gonna eat you. Ah.
He did it.
Goodbye, Columbus. We don't need you.
Columbus will save you.
Okay, I'll go find Columbus. Next scene.
Thank you.
Columbus.
Wow, the aliens are good.
I wonder where Columbus is.
At hide and seek.
Look, they found me.
Okay, guys, we continue the show.
Flag, where are you? Earth means famous movie stars. Let's go look in the living room.
I became a Cyclops, the star of the new movie, Cyclops Alien Man. So I got rid of one of my eyes to be a Cyclops.
Awesome.
I know, that's what my mom said too when I tried out to be an alien for Puppet House. And she said, you'll never be an alien for Puppet House because you're not an alien. And I said, what do you mean? We are
Okay,
aliens.
that's something. How do you tell your mom if you just came straight with us?
I called her on my super fast internet cell phone, BlackBerry.
You have Blackberry.
Yeah, I stole it off some guy when we came to Earth.
Wait until the 50s.
What?
Never mind.
That doesn't even make sense. The 50s have happened already. Now it's the 2000s, yo. Get with the picture. We're hip, we're cool, we're awesome. We're Glop Plog, Glop Plog.
Stop in the singing, boy.
Sorry.
Movie star way.
Take us to your leader so we can be stars. Take us to your leader so we can be stars.
Just follow us.
Got it.
Who are these people?
We are aliens. Make us stars.
Okay, you guys can be on our next show because we have no other actors. Go!
I just got a phone call from Turkey saying he picked up his cousin Otto from the airport.
Yes, I know, but
Don't tell Bob.
Why?
Don't be freaked out.
No, Bob
DJ's nightmare. He woke up and started smacking me in the face while I wasn't even looking.
That doesn't even make sense. You just got here. You just started looking here. Oh, by the way, your brother's looking for you.
He's my brother. Oh,
DJ.
DJ, what? I missed you, Cam.
What a happy reunion!
Wee! Ha! 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 We love each other. Big Papa! I missed you, DJ. I missed you, DJ.
Dude, your brother and sisters, you don't kiss, you idiots.
You idiot.
Look who's back! I'm not talking to them. They left us out. They didn't let us go into space.
Bruce!
What, DJ?
What? Did you just use DJ's voice?
No, he called me, and I can't believe I talked to her.
Oh no! Nobody cares about us.
That's right, no one cares about you, you big butt.
You don't have to be so mean.
A big sushi.
Hey, that guy's a freak.
Hey! That was so weird. I'm a skeleton! Skeleton.
Ew.
I'm throwing your body away. Whoa, I just talked in Stinky's voice. This is bad. You know,
Hey, and I'm talking in your voice.
our voices must have switched when I feel your body.
Go get it.
Okay. I'm sorry for throwing your body away, Stinky.
It doesn't matter now. Let's go find it.
Got it. Here it is. I found it. Now I have to let's switch voices again.
Okay.
Hey, I'm back to my voice.
Hey, me too.
Yeah. Whoa,
Our entire set just almost fell down.
that was close. Get that thing on my
I
superhero.
think the aliens are playing with the spaceship. I'll go check on that.
Hello, sir. Can I help you?
Yes, I got $1 million here.
I don't know if anyone found it, but what's your name?
My name is Richard.
Richard. Richard J? You own the studio?
Yes.
You can fire me if I don't find your $1 million.
Actually that's true, but I don't think I will. You're a big person.
Oh, thank God. I'll go find your money. Bob! Why did you pass? Do you know if anyone's got $1 million here? Yes, DJ Josie. They bought a rocket ship with it. Okay, I'll go find him. Hey, Rich, can I call you Rich?
No.
Okay, Rich. Well, I'll go get you the rocket ship. You want that instead of $1 million?
I guess I'll take that.
Okay, I'll go find it. Glop Plog!
Yes, Bob. What do you want? Blah, 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 blah.
Find rocket ship! He come movie star!
Yes, sir, I find it. Find rocket ship, find. Rocket ship, find. Rocket ship, rocket ship. Rocket ship, sir.
You're a person on Glop Plog.
Rocket ship, find. Rocket ship, find. Rocket ship, rocket ship, rocket ship, find. Rocket, oh my God, it's found. I'm not gonna be able to. Sit down, suckers. Oh, you dropped it. Okay.
I took it.
Okay, time for the show.
No, for the show. Good auto.
Whoa, we're gonna be stars, Otto. Let's go, Otto. Let's sing a song.
Turn him in, black, 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 and
I love the penguin.
black, 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 black.
Introducing the aliens with the tap dancing penguin. Everybody's favorite person, Twinkie Cousin.
Black, 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 black,
Go, come on, everyone else.
black, 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 black,
Hello, I am William B. Harvey, and I need to tell you no aliens were harmed.